In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a meeting conversation summary in Otter.ai. Whether you're using Otter.ai for personal project management or keeping track of company meetings, finding and utilizing the conversation summary can greatly enhance your productivity. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Otter.ai website. This can be done simply by typing Otter.ai into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll notice the clean, minimalistic interface that makes navigating Otter.ai intuitive and straightforward. As you arrive on Otter.ai's homepage, keep an eye on the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll find the login button right there. Clicking on this button will direct you to the login page. If you already have an account, simply enter your email and password. If you're new to Otter.ai, you'll have the option to create an account or login using a Google or Apple ID, which can sometimes make things even quicker. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the Otter.ai homepage where you'll see a list of your past meetings and recordings. The next step is to identify the specific meeting or audio recording you're interested in reviewing. Scroll through your list and select the desired file. Clicking on it will take you into a more detailed view of that particular meeting. With the meeting file open, direct your attention to the screen where you'll find the AI-powered summary panel. Generally, this can be located either at the top of the page or along the side of the transcript, depending on how Otter.ai is set up on your device. This AI summary section is a real gem. It captures the essence of your meeting, saving you from having to listen to or read through the entire recording again. Now, what you'll see in this section is the summary generated automatically by Otter's AI. It condenses the meeting's key points into a concise, easy-to-read format. Should you wish to share this information or keep a record of it in another format, Otter.ai provides several options. You can easily copy the text to your clipboard, allowing you to paste it wherever you need it. If you want to save or distribute the summary in a fixed format, Otter gives you the option to export it either as a PDF or a docx file. Furthermore, if you're collaborating with a team, sharing the conversation link with your teammates directly through Otter.ai can be extremely efficient. This feature not only saves time, but also ensures you never miss out on critical details discussed in any meeting. With just a few clicks, you have all the essential information documented, ready for distribution or future reference. So there you have it, a quick and efficient way to access and use meeting conversation summaries in Otter.ai.